Yo, what's up guys, SoupOrHero. So today I just have a loot from one clue scroll right here, which is absolute crap, maybe the worst loot ever, and also from around 15 fire giants. Now what I've been doing the past 2 days is actually just trying to make money, and I tried making money through fire giants. It did get me a pretty high mage level, which was, I was happy with. Unfortunately I did not get any rune skimmies, because I at least wanted to have like a 60k bank, to always be able to afford runes for boss fights. And for quests in general, I just don't really have the money at the moment to keep grinding out these quests, because I'm traveling is actually a lot, like chartering and stuff. So I've just been trying to make money really, mostly through clue scrolls and fire giants. Haven't really had any luck, but I'm actually just gonna go back to doing quests today. I have no quest guide, or I put out every single quest guide that I've actually done so far, and I'm doing a couple quests today, so I might pull one out later today. If not, this might be the only video I put out today. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lot of. I found a pretty good money maker thanks to my friend Framed or Kevin or Ice Skim Looter or whatever, the man. So I'll be having a nice bank soon and be grinding out those quest guides for you. Spring break starts in 2 days for me, so expect a lot of live streams and a lot of videos being put out. I just want to thank everybody so much. I've gotten, I think, 1,400 subs in around 4 or 5 days, which is the most I've ever gotten. It's incredible. The support I'm getting on my quest guides is insane. My CC is always full. And I just want to thank everybody so much. I'll make a video once I hit 10,000, which might actually be tomorrow, if I keep it up at this rate. And I never ever would have thought that with ESC dying, I would never have thought I would even hit 8,000. So as you can see here, I'm just getting some herb drops and nothing special. I mean, the addition of units is, it's I actually sort of missed when the herbs actually had names, but it's alright. It's something new. Anyways guys, this is about it. Thanks for watching. Look out for more videos coming soon. Peace.